Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to contribute to this motion. First of all, Mr. Speaker, I did not know that there are people out there whose work is solely to count how many times we speak in this Senate. But since I'm aware, I will make sure I keep them very busy. So, Mr. Speaker, the issue of having dialogue after every election cycle, just like my colleagues have said before me, is one that must be discouraged, because we put a lot of resources into the election process, and we have encouraged this kind of impunity every election cycle. There are individuals who know that they can twist the process to get into government in the back door. However, Mr. Speaker, because our head of government, who is the president, supports this dialogue, and because one of the agenda for Kenya Kwanza in this dialogue is creating an official opposition office, which I support fully, because we appreciate that Raila, who is the current person in question that we are discussing today, he got a considerable number of votes. And the issue of winner takes it all has been a thorn in the flesh in the Kenyan elections. So, in that matter, Mr. Speaker, I support...
What is the point of order?
Protect me, Mr. Speaker. Protect me, Mr. Speaker, from the minority leader.
Just take your seat, Senator Karen. What is the point of order, Senator Mazayo?
Bwana Spika, nafikiri ule mjadala ulioko hapa ni muhimu sana na ni wa kitaifa. Lakini ukisikiza matamshi aliyoongea dadangu Senator, kwa jina la heshima dadangu, na matamshi aliyosema ya kwamba hapa tunaongea juu ya baba Raila Odinga, bila alivyosema, je, ni sawa ama si sawa? Nataka kujua kutoka kwake, na kama
Senator
si sawa
Karen,
anaweza kuondoa maneno hayo.
It's okay,
Na kaomba
Senator
msamaha.
Mazayo. Senator Karen, the motion before the floor is the National Dialogue Committee. It's got nothing to do with Honorable Raila Odinga. We are not here to discuss the personality of
Thank you, sir.
Honorable Raila Odinga.
Mr.
Kindly-
Speaker, I'm guided.
Thank you.
As I was saying in conclusion, the issue of winner takes it all in our election has been a thorn in the flesh, and if this dialogue is going to address this issue once and for all, I support the creation of the official opposition so that we can keep so that we can keep the election loser, Mr. Speaker, so that we can keep the election loser legitimate and accountable and busy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Oburu.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker.